Let's look at this very interesting question. A given sample currently contains 135 bacteria. The number of bacteria triples every 2 hours. How long does it take for the number of bacteria to double? Okay, well, since the growth of bacteria is continuous, I'm going to go ahead and use y equals the n initial, how many in, or maybe I should, instead of y, I should just put n for number, n equals n initial e to the power of r times t. Okay, so we know that currently when t is 0, we have 135. So that equals n initial e to the power of rate times t is 0. Of course, this is a 1, so n initial equals 135. That is if you needed to convince yourself that n initial is 135. We really didn't have to, because the problem is telling us. The problem said that, that a given sample currently contains 135. But this is how you could convince yourself that n initial is 135. Okay. So now, in order for me to find out what's the rate, I know that the problem says that it triples. So 3 times 135 was when we had initially 135 e to the power of rate that I'm trying to solve for, find times time, which was in 2 hours, it tripled. So, simplify this, and I'm showing you every step there is, but you don't have to. So divide both sides by 135. Now I have 3 equals e to the power of 2r. So taking natural log of both sides, I get natural log of 3 equals natural log of e to the 2r. Once again, I'm showing as every step there is. Bring this down. Natural log of e is 1. Let me go to the next page. So I do have 2r equals ln of 3. So therefore, r equals natural log of 3 divided by 2. And putting that in calculator gives 0.5493. That's good enough to 4 decimals. Okay, so rate or r equals 0.5493. So what does that tell me? That tells you that this population is following the pattern that n equals 135 e to the power of 0.5493 t. So the question is asking, what's the time that the population doubles? Well, double of 135 is going to be 270. So we are interested when n is 270. So 35 e to the power of 0.5493 t. And now all I have to do is solve for t. And of course here, twice population here, divide both sides by 135, 2 equals e to the 0.5493 t. You didn't have to show this step, but if you're not convinced, if you'd like to see where these numbers are coming from, once again, I'm showing every step logically there is to look at these problems. Okay, now let's take natural log of both sides. Go to the next page. Now I have natural log of 2 on the left-hand side equals natural log of e to the 0.5493 3t. Bring this down. So I have natural log of 2 equals 0.5493t. Divide both sides by natural log of 2. T equals 1.26187. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.